Hey mate, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start a session in one Linux machine, in this case Mint. Then we will export the hashcat session to Google Colab and import in Google Colab and start from the same place. And then we will export it again to another machine, in this case Ubuntu, and start from the same checkpoint we stop in Google Colab. So let's begin. Okay, let's start with the first machine, the Mint Linux Mint. As you can see, all the commands will be available in the description. Okay, let's go navigate to the root folder. Now, let's do sudo apt-update to update the repository. Okay, clear. Sudo apt-get install, and then just paste those packages that we need to use. Press yes, let it download. Now we're downloading the hashcat. Okay, sudo git clone, and let's take the hashcat from the repository, GitHub repository. Clear, ls, as you can see, we have the hashcat folder. Let's log in and run the make command in order to compile. And sudo make install. Okay, hashcat has been installed. Let's go to tempfile.org, upload our hash file, because we're going to use it in a couple of places. Take the link, keep the link address. Okay, back to the root folder, clear, wget, and we download the hash file. All the paths need to be the same in all the machines in order it would work. Okay, let's take a look at the hash file. You can see its content. Okay, let's run the script, the restoring session, and we will call it session 1. And we use the B force with the force in the end in order to avoid any error message or something that will stop the script. Now let it run, press S, and as you can see, when we get to 2%, I click on the C to make a checkpoint. Now we look for the session 1.restore file that contain our session. Let's upload this file also to tempfiles.org. Just copy and paste. Okay, upload, and let's save the URL location. Yeah, in Node++. Okay, and let's go to Google Colab. Open new notebook. Let's change runtime to GPU. Let's check which GPU we got. Okay, we got Tesla T4. Weehee, it's great GPU. Very strong. Okay, run the bash script. Now we got bash shell. Let's download and install Google Colab, apt-update, update the repository. Then let's download the necessary packages. Okay, downloaded. Now change directory to the root directory. And let's git clone the hashcat directory, change directory to hashcat, and run the make command in order to compile the files. And yeah, sudo make install. Okay, fantastic. So hashcat has been installed. Let's go back to the root folder. Now we need to get the hash file, because it needs to be the same path as the other machine in order to script it work. Wget and the URL location. Okay, hash has been downloaded, as you can see it on the root folder. Change directory to hashcat, and let's try to restore the session. That's the command, hashcat -- session and session name, and restore. As you can see, we need to get the session.restore configuration file to the following location. So change directory to the session directory, and wget, and download the restore file that we got from the Mint machine. Okay, we downloaded it. Okay, back to the hashcat folder and try to run the restoration command. So it's hashcat -- session 1 is the name we gave the session, and -- and as you can see, it starts. Okay, press S for status, and you see it's super fast. It's like already 4%. It starts from 2, 7, 10, 12. Let's try to stop it on 15. Click on the checkpoint. Okay, it stopped on 18%. Okay, now let's take the necessary files. We need to get the session file. So, okay, first we need to open the file manager, okay? And let's copy the session file to the root, the main root directory. It's be easier to take it from there. Okay, now we have the session file. You can see it here. Session.1 restore. Refresh the file manager. Okay, let's download it. Download the session1.restore. Okay, and let's upload it that we will have access via public IP URL. Okay, let's keep this URL in order that we will download it in the next operation system we're going to use. Just close, change the runtime to none, close the Google Colab session. That's in case that we won't exhaust all our GPU allocation. Now we're going to download hashcat in Ubuntu. Okay, so update the repository and download all the packages again. The same ritual, and git the hashcat and change directory to hashcat and run the make command to compile the files. Sudo make install. Okay, clear the screen. Now let's in the main root directory download the hash file first, because it needs to be the same hash file in the same location, same path. Okay, we download it. Now let's try to run the session. It probably won't let us. Okay, change directory to hashcat --session 1 restore. Okay, we need the session1.restore file, the restore configuration. Let's change directory to the hashcat session folder. Sudo wget, and now we will download the restore file, the session restore file that we took from Google Colab. Okay, let's see what's inside. Yeah, it's the same configuration. Go back to the hashcat folder and run the restoration command. And as you can see, it should start from 18%. Press status. Okay, yeah, it starts from 18%. Okay, let's let it run a couple of moments. Let's see how long it's going to take. And after 36%, yeah, okay, so we got the password. After 36% defined it with the mask we gave it, 45 minutes. That's it basically. Thank you very much. God bless you. Please like, subscribe, and all the best. Cheers.